Brown stewed chicken is a delicious dish in any Jamaican household. Starting off with our fresh vegetables, I have cut up onion, tomato, garlic, ginger, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Now for the chicken. Here I have about 4 pieces of skin off, bone in chicken thighs. Gonna season them with my powder seasoning, starting off with black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. And then we're just gonna add some Scotch bonnet peppered, some badia adobo. This really enhances the flavor and makes it really deep. And of course, a staple in any Jamaican household, thyme. And Jamaican brown stew chicken would not be brown stew chicken without Jamaican browning. A little does go a long way to give it that deep, rich color, so pour this with a light hand. Now this is whole allspice. If you have ground allspice, I'd recommend that because the whole allspice has a hard bite and you should probably pick it out before you serve. Next, I'm throwing in some soy sauce. Of course, no dish is complete without soy sauce. And I'm gonna mix it all up and get it all good and delicious and ready to marinate. Coat the chicken well because this is where the magic starts. Now I'm gonna throw in my fresh veggies so that this can all marinate together. I'm gonna mix it all up again, and then I'm gonna cover it and have it marinate for at least an hour, preferably overnight. After our chicken is marinated, it's time to cook. We start off by getting some oil in a pot very hot, and then we cook. Once all your chicken is in the pot, make sure to let it sizzle. Brown stewed chicken isn't brown stewed chicken unless you brown it. Remove your chicken once it's perfectly caramelized and browned. And then we're going to throw in our veggies that we're waiting to be sizzled down as well. Mix those in. And once we get these veggies cooked up, we're going to start adding in some more flavors. Starting with ketchup. About 2 tablespoons. And then a tablespoon of grape jelly. This is my mom's secret to great brown stew chicken. We mix that all up, and then we throw in some chicken broth. Put back in our chicken. And any juices, of course. Yum yum. Give it a good mix. Cover it, and let the flavors make magic begin. Brown stew chicken can cook down anywhere from 45 minutes to, I would say, 2 hours on a very low fire. It gets very delicious. You want the chicken to get nice and soft, fall off the bone delicious. Once you've reached that perfect chicken consistency, that perfect tenderness, if you use a whole allspice, go ahead and remove the whole allspice. Otherwise, your Jamaican brown stew chicken is ready to serve. Jamaican brown stew chicken goes delicious with white rice or Caribbean rice and peas. In addition to that, any vegetable that you enjoy steamed will also be a great addition to your authentic Jamaican brown stew chicken dinner. Enjoy.